Hello, welcome to this session where we will explore the concept of clients in SAP. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what a client is, how it works, and why it's essential in the SAP system. So without any delay, let's get started. Now before me explaining about what is a client in SAP, let me tell you something. A company that purchases an SAP system will install the system on its servers and then configure the SAP system to meet the company's specific requirements or needs. Now, this system is called an instance. You can have more than one SAP instance, but all instances exist on different SAP systems. Okay? A number of clients can be created within one SAP instance. Now, let's jump into the actual part. What is a client in SAP? To begin with, a client is like a separate workspace or environment within the system. Imagine you are working in a large office building where each department has its own dedicated room. Each room represents a client, completely independent and serving a specific purpose. A client is also an organizational and legal unit in SAP. It is identified by a unique 3-digit number such as 100, 200 or 800. This structure helps ensure that the data remains secure and separated between the clients. For an example, if one client stores the customer data, another client cannot access or modify it. Now let us understand how client works in SAP. Each SAP instance can have multiple clients, as I said earlier, and the data in one client is protected from others. There are two main types of data in SAP: client dependent data, client independent data. Now, the client dependent data is the data is specific to one client, such as a master data. Client independent data, this is the shared across all clients like ABAP programming or system-wide configurations. What's the key is that each client has its own configurations, tables and user data, ensuring that everything is kept organized and secure. Okay. Now let's talk about the special SAP clients. When you have purchased the SAP, okay, SAP comes with some predefined special clients that plays a crucial role. When you purchase the SAP delivers two clients, client 000 and client 001 among the others. Okay. Now, client 000 is the SAP reference client. It contains the default settings but no master data. When I say master data is the data that remains in the system for a much longer period of time, and business users repeatedly access the master data to perform the business functions or the transactions for their daily production. Okay. Master data in a client is only visible within that client and cannot be displayed or changed from another client. Okay. Now, as I said, it contains the default settings but no master data. It's primarily used for the system upgrades and the configurations, client 000. Okay. Now let us understand about the client 001. Client 001 is initially a copy of client 000 and it is used for production preparation. However, it is not suitable for live production. Now These predefined clients helps the organization set up and manage their SAP environments efficiently. Let me give you some examples, okay, to make this easier to understand. Imagine a car manufacturing company. Okay, here in this example, I'm just taking three clients: client 100, client 200, and client 300. Client 100 is a development environment where the engineers design and test new car features. Client 200 is the testing area where safety and performance evaluations are conducted. Client 300 is the production line where the final car models are built and sold to the customers. Now you should understand here is each client serves a specific purpose and it has its own data, right? This ensures that any changes made during the development or testing don't accidentally affect the live operations. Okay. Now let us move on to the key benefits of SAP clients. SAP client structure brings the several benefits. First, it ensures the data security and the separation. Second, it provides the dedicated environments for development, testing, and production. This prevents the disruptions to the live operations and allows for a seamless transactions between the different phases of the project. Okay, lastly, the flexibility of the client lets the organization tailor their SAP environment to their specific needs. That's all for today's session on SAP clients. I hope you found this explanation helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to stay tuned for more SAP insights. Thanks for watching.